Yeah. So one of the things that surprised me the most when I talk to business owners, and I do a lot of partnership disputes.
Yeah.
It's a good part of my practice, that they do not have an operating agreement. How important is that?
Well, as we say in the estate planning world, if you don't have a plan, the state has one for you. If you don't have them, let's clarify, right? So for an LLC, it's an operating agreement. For a partnership, it's a partnership agreement. And for a corporation, it's a shareholders agreement, right? And these terms are important because there's, as we know, some sketchy information out there on the internet. If you don't have it and you have two partners, then you have 50-50. And we all know 50-50 is deadlock. No one is better than the other. The statutes don't, the Florida statute or wherever your state someone is organized in, wherever you're listening, there are default rules, and those default rules then step in, and nobody likes those.
You just want to basically bring to the audience the potential consequences of not having the proper language and those agreements and not having a plan and the litigation that can ensue.
So an example of that, so I was working with another attorney on a succession plan for an estate planning client of hers. It was an auto body shop. They did most of their business. It was the one guy, he had a garage and he got contracts from local dealers. Real simple. My wife will take over if something happens. His estate plan was never finished. And he also up and passed away one day. Well, the value of the business went from that about $400,000 of a potential sale down to about $20,000, which was the value of the equipment. And so the wife was completely left in the lurch, and she was ready to find somebody to work in the business if she had to. And it just failed. And so when we look at this, whether it's partners, whether it's members, whether you have somebody someone's an investor and the other person is the service person, whatever it is, these sort of default situations, like just watch the business value disappear.